Very good morning, students. Welcome to the social science class. Children, today we are starting with the chapter political parties, and this is one of the most important chapter of your civics section. Political parties, children, we are living in one of the largest democracy, and India is considered to be the multi-party democracy, where almost close to more than 1,000 political parties are existing today, and this chapter deals with, or it starts with the meaning of political parties and its important functions. So, if we consider the meaning or definition of political party, then it is a group of people who contest the elections and forms the government. So, this is the definition of political parties, and three important organs are there, children, of political parties. One is the leaders, second the members, and the third is the followers. So leaders, they are the torch bearer for any political parties. For example, for BJP, the leaders, the torch bearer are Narendra Modi, Lal Krishna Advani, or the other leaders like Yogi Adityanath and all. For Congress, like Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi, they are the leaders. The members, these are the core members, the people who works continuously for the progress and growth of the political parties. And the third organ is the followers. The followers are the people like you and me who believes in an ideology of a particular political party and they votes for that political party. So that is the meaning and the organ of political parties given in your chapter initially. And this would be your first question: what is political parties? Right? It's important organs. Second is, if we see the meaning of the functions of political parties, what are the important functions of political parties? Children, we all know political parties are playing a role of a bridge between people and the government, and they sometimes actually provide a link to the people with the government machineries. And the political parties' important functions are, they number one is they contest elections. So in democracy, elections are a very important element for any democracy, and the important role for all the political parties is to contest the elections. They actually goes into the elections, they appoint their own candidates, and all the political parties will do, they pass through a process of this is called electoral process, campaigning, or trying to reach to the people through media or various other sources of communication, and they contest the elections, and the party which wins the majority, or the party which wins more seats, forms the government. Second is the formation of government. See, political parties, children, those who are winning, they are forming the government. If the party wins at the Vidhan Sabha level, they are forming the state government. If the party wins at the Lok Sabha level, they will be forming the central government. And the party who is not able to get the enough votes or the majority in the parliament, they plays a role of opposition. So we'll be discussing later about the opposition. So second important role of or the function of political party is to form the government. Third is they make policies and program. Children, you might be knowing political parties, when they goes to the elections, they prepare a list of the promises they are making to the people, and those promises includes what they are going to do for the next 5 years if they are being elected. So they releases a booklet of promises which is called manifesto. We are calling it manifesto. So all parties do that, and by looking at the promises and the program of the political party, it is the people who decides which party to vote, and they see which party will provide them better opportunity of development, or which party will come up with better program and policies, or which party is good for the future of a state, a local area, or for the country. So this is third important functions of political parties. They mix policies and program and put forward to the people. Third is they shape the public opinion. Now children, see, today the means of media is being used, right from Facebook to the Instagram to various community. Like Narendra Modi every almost once in a month he is coming to the radio speaking his Man Ki Baat, or so these are the techniques how political parties try to contact with the people, and by reaching to the people, they helps in formation of a public opinion. So people can decide which parties to vote for again. So they helps in whether the party is in opposition, they will be playing a role of opposition, will be speaking against the government, will be criticizing the ruling government, or whether the government which is in power will be keeping their own policies to the people, what they have done for the country and what they are going to do in future. Third, or the last important functions of political party is they play a role of opposition. Now children, see, what we believe is the party who wins in majority forms the government. Okay, so what about the parties who are not able to win the enough votes? So these parties are playing a role of opposition. Okay, they sit in opposition, and they keep on criticizing the policies of government, and they try to keep the wrongdoings of government in the masses or to the public, by debating, discussing in the parliament, by reaching to the means of communication like radio, television, social media or newspaper, magazines, etc. So they keep pressurizing the ruling government. Otherwise, if the good opposition is not there, children always believe the ruling government will become authoritarian. So opposition is also important is the ruling party. So children, that's it. Today I have introduced this chapter, and I have uploaded one or two questions in regard of this, and a document. Please go through it and write the answers in your civics notebook. Have a good day. Thank you.